The COVID-19 pandemic has already staggered the U.S. economy, some areas more so than others. So how might we expect to fare in Bakersfield? 17's Robert Price takes a look.
Chmura Economics and Analytics, a firm composed of PhD economists, statisticians, data scientists, and mathematicians, studied 384 metro areas in the U.S. and came up with what it calls its COVID-19 Economic Vulnerability Index. The index gauges what sort of negative impact the COVID-19 crisis might have on jobs in a region based on the industries present there. It might seem strange to study which cities are best equipped to weather a worldwide catastrophe, but that's precisely what Chmura researchers did. And guess what? Bakersfield is equipped to fare much, much better than almost every other metropolitan area. We're in the top 13. An average vulnerability index score is 100, which represents the average job loss expected in the United States. An index of 200, for example, means the rate of job loss is forecast to be twice as large as the national average. An index of 50 means half the national average. Coming out worst, Maui, followed by Atlantic City, New Jersey, and Las Vegas, Nevada. Yes, tourist destinations, all with index scores of more than 175. The least affected by COVID-19, Trenton, New Jersey, a government center with an index of 70, followed a few slots back by Metro Bakersfield, which for purposes of the study includes all of Kern County. Our score, 84.5. Why is that? Richard Chapman, CEO of the Kern Economic Development Corporation, thinks he knows why.
What this study reveals is the incredible diversity of our region's economy. And indeed, in the 2018 Wallet Hub survey, we were the third most diverse economy in the U.S. And a lot of this has to do with the STEM-related jobs that create mobility, not just within new industries, but within existing industries. So moving forward, we work to develop these different legs of the stool to create that sustainability and economic security that is critical.
That's right. From a county-wide perspective, we're not just oil and food production. We're also government, logistics, aerospace, healthcare, and more. So based on this forecast, Bakersfield may potentially suffer much less than the average region. It's hard to be very happy about that, but in this climate of caution and fear, it's something. Robert Price, 17 News.
Now, we should mention the survey was taken before oil prices dropped, but Chapman says he is confident there's still enough here in Kern County to justify our ranking.